This wheel and tire kit is the perfect setup for the 2010 to 2014 Mustang owner who wants some clean style and additional grip for a great price. This kit provides a great balance of affordability and performance, making it an excellent choice for a daily driven car. Now in this kit, you will receive a set of 4 wheels and tires featuring the 20 by 8.5 inch AMR wheels with a 30mm offset and 255/35 R20 Lionhart LH5 tires. Free mounting and balancing is included with your purchase as well. Now this is a square setup, so all 4 of the wheels and tires are exactly the same size, meaning that you can rotate these to help extend the life of your tires. And this kit is going to give you plenty of grip as well with the performance-oriented features of the LH5s. So you get good tread life, a cool look, and excellent performance, all for one of the best prices in the segment. Now there's a lot to talk about with this kit, but we'll start of course with the wheels. These are the AMRs in gloss gray, and they feature this really nice thin split spoke design that is just very clean and classic, and it's a good match style wise for the S197. This set in particular of course is finished off in this nice metallic gunmetal gray, and it's a welcome departure to see something like this as opposed to regular silver or even black wheels. And the gunmetal gray is still going to look great against any paint color, and it adds a nice little aggressive accent to your build. These do bring a slightly more modern look to the S197, especially because they're a little bit bigger than your factory wheels, and I think these cars pull that look off very well. Where this set in particular really differs from the OE style wheels are the sizing. The wheels here are 20 inches in diameter, so they're a little bit bigger than what you would get in any of the factory optional sets. In this kit, you do get 4 wheels that are all the same size, so they're 20 by 8.5 inches with a 30mm offset. But that again means that you have a square setup, so you can rotate these around to help improve the life of your tires. Now, this kit will also fit on your car even if you have it lowered up to 2 inches, and it won't cause any issues with rubbing or clearance. That too is going to help extend the life of your tires. Now speaking of the tires, this kit features a set of 255/35 ZR20 Lionhart LH5s, and I like to say that these are possibly the best kept secret on the market because they are a true performance bargain. These are an ultra high performance all season, meaning that they can serve as your only set of tires on a Mustang that is driven all year long. And they have all of the hallmarks of a solid performance tire. Look at the treads and you're going to see large circumferential grooves and deep sipes in the tread blocks to help dispel water, debris, and snow, and that makes them plenty capable in adverse conditions. But they also feature an asymmetric tread pattern with big outer shoulder blocks and a wide central rib to help keep them plenty of grip in the dry. The LH5 also features an advanced heat-resistant silica compound, and you'll find reinforced sidewalls here too for enhanced grip and responsiveness. So these can take you from your daily commute to the track and back again, and they'll be plenty capable in any of those scenarios. However, as I always like to say, it is important to remember that these are a true M+S all-season tire, so there has to be a balance between performance, longevity, and adverse condition grip. Now that compound that we were just talking about is going to be a bit softer than a traditional all-season, which is going to give you the enhanced grip in the dry. That is also evidenced by the A traction and temperature rating and also the 320 tread wear rating. So all that to say, don't expect these to carve up snow and ice like a true winter performance tire, and don't expect them to last 60,000 miles, especially if you're working them hard. However, if you see minor snow, a little bit of ice, and a lot of rain, these are going to be a very good all-round performance tire for you, and they're going to give you plenty of grip in any situation. And really, the performance per dollar cannot be overstated here. The LH5s also carry a W speed rating, meaning that they are rated for up to 168 miles per hour, which should be plenty for one of these cars. Now this kit, as always, includes free mounting and balancing, and you can either have your kit mounted and balanced by us, and then we will ship everything to you completed and ready to mount on your car, or we'll ship everything to you separately, and we will set you up with an appointment at a local shop where they will mount and balance your kit free of charge. Now you can also choose to have the correct TPMS sensors included for an additional charge. However, free installation of those is included with your purchase. The wheels, as you might expect, are made from cast aluminum, meaning that they are all one piece and thus quite strong. Aluminum is widely used for wheels in the automotive world because it's lightweight and it's strong, and so you don't have super heavy wheels slowing you down, but you're not going to have to cringe every time you hit a pothole. Now this set in particular also features that nice gunmetal gray powder coating over top. It's going to give you some good looks and additional protection against corrosion. So basically, treat these right, they're going to last you a good long while. As for the LH5s, well, we've talked about most of that already. They feature again that all-season rated compound with the A traction and temperature rating, plus the 320 treadwear rating, in addition to the reinforced sidewalls, the deep sipes, the large center rib, the wide outer tread blocks, the asymmetric design for enhanced grip and wet weather performance. You'll also find an XL load rating and that heat-resistant compound, and they come with a 30,000-mile treadwear warranty, meaning that the LH5s are strong and capable, and they should maintain their performance characteristics even when they've got some heat in them and you're working them hard. When it comes to the price, this of course falls very much on the more affordable side of the spectrum, and in fact, this is one of the most affordable kits we offer for the S197. So if you're after some additional performance and some clean, good looks at an affordable price point, then this kit is going to be the perfect choice for your Mustang. Installation gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should only take you around 30 minutes to complete. You are, of course, going to need a floor jack and the proper socket for your impact gun or breaker bar, your wheel lock key if your car is so equipped with wheel locks, and a torque wrench to get everything torqued back to spec. This is a simple job, as you'd expect, and if you've ever taken a wheel and tire off before, you can do this very easily in your driveway. Plus, these are designed to bolt right onto your car with no modifications needed. That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of this wheel and tire kit featuring the AMR wheels and Lionhart LH5 all-season tires, featuring 20 by 8.5 inch wheels with a 30mm offset and a 255/35 R20 tire size, designed to fit all 2010 to 2014 Mustangs. Thank you so much for watching, and for everything Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.